Hey everyone, welcome back to the Azure Data Factory session. In this session, I am going to show you how to use a wait activity in a pipeline. Okay, what is a wait activity? It just passes the execution of pipeline for certain number of seconds that we are mentioning. Okay, passes the execution of pipeline for the mentioned seconds. Okay, so this is what the wait activity is going to do. Simple, right? So I'll just show you a pipeline wherein we have a wait activity which waits for 5 seconds and then it does a copy activity. Okay, so how to do that? Just open adf.azure data factory, adf.azure.com, and then choose wait activity in general section, and then just rename it wait for 5 seconds. Okay, so go to settings. It is a very simple setting. It just asks for number of seconds to wait. Okay, so as I mentioned, we want to make it wait for 5 seconds, so just mention 5 here and then do a copy activity. Okay, so this copy activity, what we are going to do is we are going to copy from a Excel file to Azure SQL table. So if you want to know how to load records from Excel file to Azure SQL table, please watch my earlier videos wherein I have explained it clearly. Okay, so copy data, it's going to be very simple because everything has already been explained in the earlier videos. Okay, so sync is going to be my Azure SQL table. So that's all. So when I click on debug rate, what it is going to do is it's just going to wait for 6 seconds, because normally while I was learning this rate, I observed that if you set 5 seconds wait time, it waits for 6 seconds. If you set 10 seconds, it waits for 11 seconds. Okay, so there is a little bit delay in executing the pipeline. Okay, so that 1 second delay is added while we execute. Okay, so I'm just running it. So let's see. So it has started running. The duration you're seeing here, right, in the output tab, you will be seeing the duration. So after this pipeline has executed, we can see how long it has waited actually. Okay, so it is still in wait activity. It hasn't moved to copy activity. Okay, it's done. So if you see here, right, as I told you, we have just mentioned 5 seconds, but it has waited 6 seconds. That is a minor delay, but that's okay, right? So when we will be normally using this kind of activity? So normally we will be in real-time scenarios, I am telling, we will be looking for a particular folder, looking for a file in a particular folder. Okay, so until this folder, the file is available, until the file is available, we will be keeping on waiting. Okay, keep on waiting, and once the file is available, do a copy activity. Okay, this kind of scenario we will be encountering quite often in the real-time projects. So in this particular scenario, right, what and all activities we have to use is, we have to use an until activity, and then a wait activity, and then a copy activity, and then before copy activity we might have to use a get metadata activity. Okay, just to know about the whereabouts of files. Okay, so we might have to use these 4 activities for implementing this scenario, and I have already covered these 3 activities, how to use that in an Azure Data Factory pipeline. This until activity we will be seeing in the next session. Okay, so if you want to learn about until activity with this particular scenario, right, please keep watching my videos so that I'll be explaining it in the next session. And I request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, so because it's going to be great motivation for me, and those who have subscribed, I am thankful to you. Keep supporting.